Hey guys, Stephen Australia here. Well, I'm at the car wash today, but this time I'm with my daily drive car, which is this blue Mitsubishi Lancer here. This one goes by right behind it. But I've had this in my videos quite a few times now, so you would have seen it in a few videos, with either me driving along in it or in the background somewhere. But it's a 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer ES model, just the standard model. It's the last time they made them was in 2017 in September, and this one was one of them. It was shipped to Australia. I actually bought it in 2019 because it was sitting in a car yard somewhere in South Australia, I believe, because it had a lot of red dust in it when I was washing it when I first bought it. But I bought it in 2019, 2 years later, in September actually, and yeah, I only paid 18 grand for it, brand new, so it's a pretty good buy just before COVID hit. Then they all went through the roof. It's a 2 litre engine, so it's only the 4B11. They've got a 4B12 engine as well, which is a 2.4 litre. So this is just the standard one, as I was saying. But I'll pan around the car. So I've had it since new, and it's done 77,000 kilometres now. So it's a daily drive. Panels are in pretty good nick, no dents yet. And it's always garage, so paint's in pretty good condition. I'll just pop the bonnet and show the engine. So I'll pop the bonnet. This is the 2 litre engine, idling. I had a car similar to this a few years back before I bought this one, and had the exact same engine, and it sounded exactly the same. So even though you can hear that rattly sound, that's pretty normal when it's idling on these engines. They still make them because they're still used in the ASXs, and I think the Outlanders used to have them, but not anymore since they changed it to a Nissan X-Trail rebadged. So only in the ASXs because they don't make the Lancers anymore. These 4B11 engines were actually using their Evos. They would put a turbo on them and soup them up. They didn't use the 2.4 litre in the Evos, just this engine for some reason. But this is just a naturally aspirated gutless car. I'm going to be honest, it's not very powerful. It's got a CVT on it, so it's not even a manual, but it's just a daily drive car. You'll see my other car, which is the V8 engine, 300C. Guys, I've just checked my facts and I found that the Outlander hybrid still uses the 4B12 engine, so it's the same family, but just the 2.4 litre. Basically threw it just there. Cheers. Just a quick look inside. Pretty standard features. It's got a DAB digital radio. There's the bucket I used to wash the car down there, that's what that is. And a dash mat on there. I actually took the dash mat off the previous car I had because it was exactly the same, just an earlier model, and I kept it for this one. Keeps the sun off the dash. There's the mileage. Thanks for watching my video of me showing my daily drive car, the Mitsubishi Lancer 2017 ES 2 litre Mitsubishi Lancer. Thank you very much guys. Cheers, bye.